We are happy today, the angels of Archangel Michael, to speak to you today of the journey here on earth and the ways to protect and guard your energies. And we would encourage you always to spend time in nature and be with the trees and the water. And as you are with these elements of earth, air, fire, water and ether, and are within the energy of the trees, they will come forth with their own divine energy and help to clear through your energy system, which can be merged and combined in with beautiful Mother Nature. And so we would encourage you to spend time in a beautiful place in nature whenever you are able to. And as you sit under the trees or by the lake or the ocean, whether it is near water or nature in the form of a forest, to bring forth and ask for the energy of the trees to help by clearing and cleansing your energy field. You can utilize your breath in this practice by breathing in at the same time as the tree breathes out, then breathing down into the earth, imagining the breath going down through the tree roots and releasing any stress down into the earth. And as the breath and the energy rests inside the earth, you can breathe back up the earth's energy from the golden core, imagining a golden stream of energy coming up through your feet and pushing out through your system anything that is no longer needed. Breathing out through the top of the head. You can commune with nature in the way that you enjoy by even approaching a tree, and with that tree's permission, placing your hand upon the tree and feeling the energy and presence. Allowing yourself to connect at that moment to the energy of the tree. And feeling the stillness and the strength. Understanding the way that the roots of the tree are deep within the earth, keeping them stable and grounded. And this is also important on the human journey, that the energy fields stabilize and become connected deep into the earth. And as the tree is prevented from falling over in high winds, the energy field of the human is stabilized, grounded. Any negativity is released and the system is stabilized by the earth. And these practices help to stabilize and protect the human energy system, which is important for the frequency raising and the vibration of being connected into the higher dimensional realms and the higher frequencies of energy. Opening one's heart to Mother Nature becomes a beautiful practice. As within nature there is always the love for the human, and many activities of the human interact with nature in the same way that a boat on a lake engages with the water in order to move forward. And one can look deeper once the connection with nature is established, and gazing gently with open eyes, semi-focused eyes, at the leaves and the trunk of the tree and the branches and the shapes. You can start to picture and imagine the life force that is throughout each element in nature. And so you can ask to expand your life force out into nature and bring it back inside your own auric field, bringing back with it then the healing and cleansing qualities and the healing and cleansing properties of Mother Nature. This will be very beneficial for you. We send you much love. Goodbye.